always think it's cool whenever you're this far away, you know, watching the explosions in here.
Yeah. You can zoom in, Nicholas.
What looks really cool is to see these things from these. I've been flying on the 4th of July before, and you look down and you just see all these little balloons.
Cool. It doesn't look as good on the iPad though. It doesn't? I'm gonna do like a 6-minute video. Wow. I might delete it after I post it.
See? It's all good.
Fireworks. Yeah.